Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change the font and color on your iPhone lock screen. So let's get started. You can customize the data time and more. So first of all, you have to press and hold on your lock screen. Like, let me show you. You just have to press and hold on your lock screen. Now you can see, you can customize your iPhone wallpaper, or just tap on to customize and you can change your home screen wallpaper or lock screen differently, or you can change them both together. You just have to choose any one of your preferred wallpaper like this, or also you can add pics from your gallery. Like, click on this blue logo called plus icon, so just have to tap onto it and you can add photos, or you can add photo shuffle, etc. From here you can also use emoji for it, and you can choose different types of wallpaper from your iPhone. As example, I'm going to choose this one, and that's it. Now it is added to my home screen and lock paper, so you can see that. Now let's move forward to the second step, which is you can do it from the settings. You just have to tap on the settings, scroll down and search for wallpaper on your iPhone. As you can see on this option, just tap onto it and you have to tap on this blue icon called add new wallpaper, and from there you can also customize your iPhone's wallpaper and lock screen's wallpaper, etc. Now let me show you how to customize the font and color on your iPhone. You have to tap on the time or date to open the font and color. Like, you have to click on, or you just can do it from this. So let me show you. Like, go to settings and then on the search bar search for fonts. Now tap onto fonts and you can see my fonts and system fonts. If you have purchased any fonts from iStore, then you just have to click on it and you can add them from here. As you can see, I don't have any fonts installed, so I'll simply go on to system fonts, and you can see there are plenty of fonts here which you can add. And you can see this download logo. It means that your font is not downloaded on this iPhone. You just have to download them and then you can add them from here. Like, you can see the fonts from here. You just have to tap on them and you can add them here. That's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.